Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tally with AI. We'll explore how integrating artificial intelligence can significantly transform your accounting processes. Imagine automating tedious data entry, achieving faster reconciliations, and gaining instant insights from your financial records. This guide will walk you through the essential ways AI enhances Tally, making your financial management more intelligent, accurate, and efficient. A key benefit of Tally with AI is automating data entry and operations. AI can seamlessly process documents like invoices, bills, and bank statements, extracting and organizing data automatically. This means less manual typing and fewer errors, freeing up valuable time. For example, AI can reconcile bank statements in minutes, a task that traditionally takes hours, significantly boosting your team's productivity. Beyond automation, AI in Tally enhances your analytics and ensures compliance. AI can unravel market trends, detect unusual financial patterns for fraud prevention, and optimize supply chains. It also simplifies complex compliance tasks, such as GST filing and reconciliation, ensuring accuracy and adherence to regulations. Furthermore, AI offers predictive insights for demand forecasting and managing cash flow, empowering you with data-driven strategic decisions. To maximize the benefits of AI in Tally, always prioritize data security and privacy, especially with sensitive financial information. It's crucial to regularly review and refine your AI configurations to ensure they are performing accurately and efficiently. Looking ahead, AI will continue to bring advancements like real-time reporting, enhanced fraud detection, and even personalized financial advisory, further transforming how businesses manage their accounts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.